Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, so we close out November today. We head into December, finish out 2021. The Bears have done a very good job of defending the 9-day and defending the daily mid-band. They tested it last night. We had a big push down to 45.82. Let's go to the hourly chart. My problem with the move to 45.82 is that it's a higher low versus 77 quarter. So they really need to break that. So you've seen a little bit of a walk up here. The pre-FOMC price, you see the weekly pivot. The hourly mid-band is coming down to meet that. Daily pivot's right in that area as well. But you can see last night, right up to resistance. What you can't see here on the chart is the 9-day is locked up with the daily mid. The two lines are literally on top of each other here at 68. So came in there, came off a little bit, was nice for us. We were actually able to get everybody into a short against 62 area, got it around 61, and woke up to 50 handles, 60 handles. I don't think anybody caught. Well, I was asleep at 1, so I didn't catch any 70 handles worth of anything. But it was a nice way for us to get this day made and get nice little present on a Tuesday morning for everybody in the chat room. So we were short against 62. We covered it for 50, and right now I'm flat. I have no plans to do anything into the open. I'll be very curious to see. You've got volume weighted average price 46.14. It's all seems to. I wouldn't be surprised if we went up to 32.34 this morning. We'll see what there is to see there. I think it's going to be whippy. I think it's going to be choppy. It'll find its way. The Bears have really got to put in a day today. And you say, well, they just knocked it. I get it. Yeah, no, that was really good last night. That's great. In the middle of the night, that's good. So you got to do it in the light of day. You have to do it in the light of day, and you have to. Lower highs don't mean anything without lower lows. I mean, maybe you end up in a triangle, or maybe you get your face ripped off. But you have to take out. Last week's lows are there for the taking. Those need to be dealt with this week. They had a really good chance to deal with them last night. They didn't do it. So now, this candle, that low, are hanging out there. And what we've seen in situations like this in the past is this where the Bears tend to kind of let go of the rope and the balloon goes up in the air. So they have to avoid that today. Yesterday was a solid day. Was really only 3 or 4 setups all day for us. A couple of shorts, then a really nice long. Got the week made, first day of the week, which I like. And then last night just kind of compounded it. So we're in a good spot for the week. I never think of things in terms of months. I was saying this in the chat room yesterday. I always think of things in terms of days, like we always, 4 or better. And I think of things in terms of weeks. So solid start to the week, a nice end to the month, but more importantly, a good start to the week. So let it be whippy, let it be choppy off the open. Let's see what it wants to be. If you're the Bulls, you got to close above the green line. It's that simple. And yeah, that's pretty far away, but you were there last night and you worked your way up there yesterday. Bears, there's 45.77. If it comes in shallow, then we're already, you coupled with this, you're kind of already looking at some kind of a triangle. But the nice part about it is it's a nice big wide triangle. And there's a lot of handles to be made on these moves. So 20, you can see 20 printing. I think they're trying to get up to weekly pivot here. We'll see what happens. One administrative thing, we're doing a major back-end overhaul of the Princetontrader website. So it has been up and then down intermittently over the last few weeks. I've reached the point of maximum frustration, so we're overhauling a lot of things on the back end. So there's a temporary landing page, and payment through Stripe. But I figured, November into December, bite the bullet. We'll fix all this stuff and head into 22 with a much better experience for everybody. So if you've been trying to get on the website and you haven't been able to get on, we're dealing with a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.